If you have no history of using any harsh chemicals or bleaching your skin, then this routine is for you, especially if you want to glow up your skin and have a brighter, healthy looking skin. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in this very video I'm going to be talking about a detailed skincare routine that would help to give you a brighter looking skin, especially if you know that you have not bleached your skin or you don't have any skin issues. If you have any skin issues, please go through my channel and you will see the particular video that would actually be targeted for the particular skin issues that you are having. This particular video is for those that don't have any skin issue and do not have any history of bleaching their skin, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to do that because it helps me to grow on this platform. Thank you as you go ahead to subscribe to this channel. So the very first thing you're going to be needing in your skincare routine, if you know that you want to just keep it basic, keep it simple, but you want to still achieve that brighter and glowy skin, will have to be a cleanser, okay? And for cleansers, I'm going to be recommending this particular one from Simple. This is Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This particular cleanser is tailored for any skin type, okay? Whether you have an oily skin, acne prone skin, normal skin, sensitive skin, this particular cleanser is for you. This cleanser has no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, okay? And it contains good ingredients. I don't believe in those that will say it's just a cleanser, so I don't have to do too much. You have to do too much when it comes to your cleansers, okay? Because your cleanser is the foundation to your skincare routine. It's just the way that when you're doing your makeup routine, you have to use what they call primer, so that everything that you're going to apply on your body or on your skin, okay, will have to set in and sit in well. Please correct me if I'm wrong, makeup girlies. But when it comes to skincare, the first thing that has to be the strong foundation that would determine if your routine will be a strong routine would have to be your cleanser. And for that, you're going to be needing the particular one. This is good, it is gentle, it is kind, it will help to clean your face, and it will help to give your skin a glowy and a neat skin for other products to now come in and work effectively. If you notice that your skin care routine is not working for you, sis, look into your cleansers, because you might not be using a good cleanser. Do you understand? So after your cleansers, you're going to be needing a toner, okay? And this toner I'm going to show you in this video is not ideal for those that still have active breakouts, active acne, okay? This is the reason why I said that this routine is for those that don't have any skin concern. And that toner has to be the particular one from Acwell. This is Acwell 5.5 Licorice toner, okay? This particular toner contains licorice that helps to actually get rid of dark spots on your face if you're struggling with dark spots, or if you're an acne prone skin and you are done treating your acne and you are left with dark spots that are refusing to go away. This is the toner that you can use. And there are two ways that you can use this toner, either by using it with a cotton pad. You dab the product on the cotton pad and then gently use it to swipe around your face, or you gently apply it on your hand and then dab it onto your skin. Either of these methods are good, okay? They are efficient. The main thing is that this toner helps to brighten up your skin. It helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots on even toned skin, and give you a same toned skin. If you have used this toner, you would know that this Acwell toner is a game changer when it comes to your skincare routine. When you are done with your toner, the next thing you're going to be needing will have to be a serum. And for this serum, any skin type at all can use this, and this particular one is from Face Fact. This is the Face Fact Ceramide serum, okay? This serum helps to repair or protect your skin barrier from being broken. If you are suffering from a broken skin barrier, this serum can be able to repair either your skin barrier, or it can be able to protect your skin barrier from being broken in the first place. The reason why we have bad skin is because our skin barriers are broken, okay? Once your skin barrier is tampered with, you will see the result on the surface of your skin. And this particular serum helps to soothe, protect, and hydrate your skin, okay? It contains ceramide, which helps to repair and make your skin barrier game to be 10/10 minus nothing. It is a very, very good serum. It is also affordable, and any skin type with any skin condition can actually use this. Okay, when you are done with your serums, you're going to be needing a moisturizer, and for moisturizers I will recommend the Licorice all-in-one cream. Okay, or if you don't have money for that, you can also get the particular tomato gel. This is a tomato gel in case you don't have the money for the Licorice all-in-one cream. The Licorice all-in-one cream will help to lock in moisture, help to seal in the moisture and the ingredient that you have gotten from your cleanser, your toner and your serums. Okay, so that they will not be trapped into your skin and do the job that they're supposed to do, and also help to moisturize and hydrate your skin so that your skin will not be dry and dehydrated. But if you don't have the money for that, you can also get this tomato gel. It helps to lock in moisture and it also helps to brighten your skin. There is nobody that have used this tomato gel that did not come back to thank me, because it helps to glow the skin. When you talk about glowing up your face, this is the one that I will recommend for you. It is gentle and it has a gel-like texture. Let me show you. It has a gel-like texture. This is it. Okay, and it is not too thick and it is not too lightweight, and it sinks in quickly onto your skin and gets the job done. This is it on my skin. I'm actually going to show you again once it's dry. It leaves this glow, like this radiance on your skin, and this is a good buy in case you don't have the money, or in case you're on a tight budget and you cannot afford the one from Licorice. And when you are done with your moisturizers, you're going to be needing a good sunscreen, a sunscreen that will not break the bank, so that you can be able to repurchase this product. One thing I will also tell you before I talk about the sunscreens is that you have to stick to a routine that you can be able to repurchase over time, because consistency does not just imply to you using the products over and over again. It has to do with you using that particular brand over and over again. So stick to what you know that you can afford over and over again. Do you get? For sunscreens, I'm recommending this particular one from Bio UV. Okay, this one is Bio UV watery essence that contains 50 SPF and PA of 4++++, that's raised to power 4. Okay, the particular sunscreen is a watery essence that gently sinks into your skin and protects your skin from the harmful UV rays. You know what the sun can do to us? Sun can actually make your skin to be damaged. The sun can damage your skin and give you dark patches on your face, and that's not what we're hoping to achieve with this routine. So you have to keep your skin protected during the day. Anytime you are done and you are going out under the sun, please always reapply your sunscreen, even 2 to 3 hours after reapplying. Do you get? You keep reapplying your sunscreen so that your skin will keep doing what? Will keep being protected, so that your skin barrier will not be tampered with. Do you get? And this is a good buy when it comes to sunscreens. Let me show you the texture as well for you to see that this is a good sunscreen. I've not opened this. Are you seeing it? It drops so quickly. Okay, it drops so quickly. It's a watery essence that drops so quickly on your on your skin. Let me go ahead to apply it. So this is the sunscreen, okay? And if you remember, I applied the tomato gel here. This is what it looks like when it is dry, and this is the sunscreen. Once you apply your sunscreen, your skin is already protected the right way. Then when it comes to how to use this product, the steps to follow when using this product, at night, your routine should be your cleanser, your toner, your serum, and your moisturizer. But during the day, it has to be your cleanser, your toner, your serum, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. I just hope that you have learned a lot from this video, and remember that this routine is for those that do not have any skin issues and do not have any history of bleaching or using any harsh chemical on their skin. If you have watched a particular point of the video, you are the real MVP. I love you. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of these products I talked about in this video that you already use or the one you're going to get, okay, because you want to achieve that glowy and brighter looking skin this 2025. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.